Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at uncoded service path from TryHackMe, and this is gonna be from Windows Privilege Escalation. So yesterday what we did was to write a service executable file. That might not be the chance for us again, the, what if it doesn't work? So there is another way to get. So let's get started with. So we can do S3QC. Then there is, I think there is not the server, BNC server. SQC. So there is no file installed. So what we want to do is SQC disk sorter enterprise. So this is our tool. The specified service does not exist. Why is it saying like that? I don't understand it. DIS. Enter. Oh, my spelling isn't right. BRISE. So now it shows the information about this service. So it's gonna be inside on my program. So we have this disk sorter enterprise. Then we have bin binary file. Then we have this exe file. Once we have known the location, so what we can do is to check the permission for this my program. In normal condition, we are not able to overwrite the file inside the C program or X C program inside my program x86. So it's for 32-bit version, and this is for 64 version file. So once we have done that, right, so what we want to do is to check the permission. So we use this ICALCS, then the program, my program, right, my program F. Then we have the permission, right, built in. User has the permission to add and wd, allowing us to create a subdirectory file and file respectively. Yes, we can create a file over there. So for that, what we want to do is to generate the payload. So I have already generated, so I'm just gonna give you the brief overview of this MSM Venom. So MSM Venom, that's P for payload. So we have Windows x86, a shell reverse TCP, then we have the local host, then we have the port number, then we have the file as exe service. So my program has been so I accidentally did not write a hyphen, so but also it works. So when you are typing it, just use a hyphen for it. So and it's gonna be output as a reverse service to the exe. So after getting that, let's open our PowerShell for that. PowerShell, right? PowerShell. So PowerShell, that we can do wget, right? And we have the location for 19 in the 10. So our IP address would be 10.148 dot 236. So then our port number is 1000. Then we have the file name kernel rev reverse service svc2.exe, and we need to output as output file name is reverse svc2.exe. Then let's do enter. It should work, or maybe it didn't work. What it shows is that's all invalid. So what it tells is so remote name could not be found. So it then not work. Wget SSTP. Then we have this 148.236 8000 rev svc2.exe. So what's wrong with it? Maybe https. Stop with this. Then this is the command, right? tin.tin.148.236. Stop with this. So let me just retry to cancel it, right? Then let's do enter. It should show now. And let's go up in our PowerShell. Stop with this. Let's do pin. I don't know, something isn't working. 148.236. There is no packet loss. That means wget, let's see, we have the port number. What we have is SSTP. Then we have this 10.148.236. Then we have port 8000 for that, and we get the svc, no, that's not it, our reverse then reverse service to .exe. Yes, now we have successfully got the file. We have got the content, right? Then let's use that. I don't know what it happened, but normally it works. So let me just copy this. Let's paste it over here, and then let's output as rev, and that's svc2.exe. and let's do enter for that. Now let's check our file. So we have successfully got this. Now let's move on to our here. So we have netcat listening on. So what we want to do is copy that file into, so let's check here, directory. So we know from earlier that our location, right, it's on C program. So let's change that file. So dix.exe. So let's rename as that file. So let's do move. Then we have the file called rev, reverse service to the exe, and then we have the location C, then my program, and then we have index.exe. Let's name as like, so let me just not auto complete it. So I could do my, I could just type it. What's happening? Oh, my program index.exe. Then let's do enter. So now I have successfully moved that file. Then what we want to do is make that change that permission for all, so we can make it executable. So let's do ICACLS. Then we have that location on my programs program, then dex dot, let's, yes, we need to give this dex.exe, then grant everyone, that's f, then that's it, give us the successfully. Yes, it has been successfully. Now what we need to do is to restart, stop and start the services. So for that we do sc uop, then let's use our dex for that, then sort sorter, then enter PRIL enterprise. So it has been successfully stopped. Then let's do a start, then dex, then sortr. It's not auto completing it. What can I say? That's why I don't like to use Windows. I like Linux more than Windows. We have successfully got this sale, so we can do VMI for that. So we have got the next user. Thank you guys.